going on, everybody? This is Coach with Untouchable Customs. We back in the shop today, and boy, is it a hot one. Well, we're gonna get something accomplished today. I don't know how much or how long I'm gonna be out here, but we're gonna try something. Today, I believe I'm going to attempt to take these off right here. I forgot the name of them. I may mess around with the chrome trim here. Not sure about that, but definitely gonna try to get the back bumper off. And this piece right here is pretty much off already. There's half of the screws are there, so I can probably take that off right now. All I gotta grab is the good old trusty that I just dropped impact. I mean, this is real simple. And I normally speed up things, but no need to speed this up. I'll just go ahead and take that part of it off real quick. I definitely won't be here long because it's right at the edge of the garage where the sun is out, and it's out for real today. And I'm not going to be at the edge of this very long at all. One more, it looks like. Yep, that will do it. Most of those screws are all different sizes, but it was that simple. I wish everything else was that easy, but you know, building a car, it's not. Disassembling one. So that was my mom that just asked me a question. But this is basically what I do when I take something off. I take the screws or bolts, even though I'm probably not going to reuse these screws, but I can use them as a guide to getting the correct screws for the tail panel. I just usually grab them, put them in the bag. As you can see, they're not all here. And then I get a marker. And I label it. And then I put it in the box. So I just put a little note on here. I guess you can probably see better if I'm over here. Yeah, that's better. That was a bad angle. So I'll just grab a Ziploc bag and a marker. I put on here chrome tail panel screws, and that just make a note for myself that I need more. That way I know I probably go to Fastenal and get the correct screws for them, or I could get it from Moparts. So we'll see. But I'll be back in a little while, just let you know my progress of the day. Well, that's it for today, folks. Show you what I did a little bit. I'm hoping tomorrow we'll take this engine out. It's not bolted in. I just really need to hook it up. Hook up the Cumberland. Put some bolts in it, yank it out. Took the transmission out today. I got all the stuff, most of the stuff cleared off the firewall. Took the splash shields in the front off. Those are right there. And I did some bagging. I did take the transmission out today too. So we getting there. Y'all have a good one. It's Coach. Later.